Welcome guys. Today we're going to be going over on the brand new 2025 GV80, how it can park itself. Let's take a look. So to activate the remote parking, you're going to press and hold on the camera button. A message will pop up on the screen. It'll say searching for a parking space. So then we're just going to drive past these spaces right here to our right. And then once it senses a space, it'll actually tell you the space and how you would like to park in it. So I'm gonna click on this one, and you can actually do two settings where you can park it from inside the vehicle or outside. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna do it from inside the vehicle. So you're gonna go ahead and press on this camera button and press and hold it. You're gonna release the brake pedal, and then all you have to do is just hold the button, and then the car will park itself. You're gonna see it get in between the lines. I have to just press the camera again because it sensed the vehicle was behind us. So we have PCH, cars flying by it ever so often. And then once it's done parking, you can just turn it off and exit the vehicle. All right, so to activate the remote smart park assist, you just press and hold on the camera button, and then it will pop up this screen. And then if you want to parallel park, you just drive past the space. And then once it drives past the space, it's gonna sense it. And then it's gonna give you two ways of parking. For this purpose, we're gonna actually do parallel park. And then you're gonna click on it. And then you're just gonna press and hold the button. And then we're gonna release the brake once this car passes. And after releasing it on the brake, the vehicle is going to sense a spot. It's going to prepare to parallel park for you. Now it's going to adjust it. And now it's complete. And if you want to exit your parallel parking spot, if you press and hold that same camera button, it's going to pop up a thing to select which direction you want to go. And so I picked the left side, and then you press and hold that same camera button, and it's going to put you in a position to where it's just easy way to drive away. And now I left it on drive for you, and you can just drive away. Again, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.